Yo, what is up everybody? As you guys see by the title, we are going to be replacing this grille right here into a gloss black grille. It's going to look 10 times better. This is what the gloss black grille looks like. I've been wanting this for a while. We finally got it. It was so hard to get it. I don't know why nobody had it, but we finally got it. It looks way better than the grille we have on right now. But yeah, let's get straight into it. But to get started, we got to take out the whole bumper just to be able to replace that one. But we popped the hood. We started already with this radiator cover. We have 1 push-in, 2, 3, 4, and 5 that we already took out. And this thing just comes right out. So that's the first thing we'll have to do. And let's put this to the side somewhere. Let's put this over here. All right, so then we got 4 10mm bolts, which is 1 right here, 2, 3, and 4 that we gotta take off, along with this push-in and this one right here. But before we do that, we gotta take the sides off. So there's a push-in right in the bumper, which is right here. We gotta take that one out, and then we could just, I guess, slightly pull off the side of the bumper, and the same thing on the other side. And then we'll take out these 10mm bolts. But before that, let me get like something I can put under just in case the bumper falls down, so it won't get scratched, something like that. But yeah, let's get straight into it. All right, so we're gonna take this clip off right here. Sorry to cut the video off like this, but I did happen to skip the video because I thought I was recording the parts where I was actually removing the bumper, taking it off, taking the screws off the bottom and stuff like that. But unfortunately, for some reason, it didn't get recorded. But let me just tell you guys the steps that I did. So basically, as you guys saw, we removed the radiator cover push-ins, removed that. There was 4 10mm bolts on the top that was still holding the bumper up to like the hood basically. And we basically didn't remove any of that yet. We removed there was side push-ins in the wheel well. The push-ins, you just get a small flathead, take those out easily. And then there's going to be a 10mm bolt. There should be like 7, I think, 6 or 7 10mm bolts under the car. You need to take off the ones by the wheel wells that are on the bottom just to make sure you can pull off the sides of the bumper. So I'd say do that first before you go to the bottom. And then what we did was we removed the full bottom, and then we went on and removed the whole top, which is 4 on the top and 7 on the bottom. Then after that, what we did was obviously you have to unplug the sensor. You know, I've been hearing a lot of people telling stuff about, oh, you have to recalibrate and stuff like that, but this is my second time removing it and I haven't had any problems. But I'm gonna keep doing that. If you want to remove the whole sensor, like the whole plug, and do that, then go ahead. But I just unplugged it and put it back, and that's it. Called it a day. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the grill, putting it on, I thought I recorded everything, but I didn't. But putting it on, taking it off was a pain in the ass. To get the clips off, like for 21 to 23, it's definitely way harder and way like more stuff you have to do than a 2018 to 2020. But basically, there was a bunch of clips we had to take out, and you know, it was a pain in the ass. They wouldn't budge, they wouldn't want to come out. But you know, we got it done, and putting it back on was also a pain because some of the clips didn't want to go all the way through. I'm not gonna lie, the fitment might not be, you know, obviously perfect as the grill before, but it's still, you know, I guess 95% there. It's not a big problem. But yeah, to put the bumper back on, it was kind of a pain because you gotta know that depending on the color of your car, the bottom pins, whatever color of your car is, that color of the pins that go in the bottom, they have to go inside that little, I'd say, I don't know if your car has the black or matte black cover under, that has to go inside of it. And it's very hard to explain this because it's like, I tried to record it, but I couldn't. But to put the bumper back on, you got to make sure you look at how it was before and memorize that. That's all I can tell you. As long as you memorize what you did before you took off the bumper, then everything should be easy for you when you put it back, because I did kind of have a problem with it. This is my first time taking off the bumper. So, yeah. But let me know what you guys think of how the grill looks and everything. And again, I'm sorry that I couldn't record everything. I will leave a detailed steps in the description below. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys want, I can leave a link of the exact grill I got. That's for a 21 to 23 SE and XSE. The XSE already comes with like a metallic black. This one's a gloss black, which is why I wanted it. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought down below in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Fast forward to now. We changed this part to gloss black, and we put the grill on. We just gotta clean it up to make it shine a little bit. But let me know what you guys think. It looks way better than before. It is now nighttime. Took us a little while to put everything back together. It was a little pain in the ass, but we got it. Look how shiny that grille's looking. It is looking crazy with the gloss black. As you guys saw, we changed this part as well, the under headlight. Remove the license plate. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. I'll leave a detailed steps on how to change it in the description, because I haven't seen a video of anybody changing the grille on a 21 to 23 above, you know, SE or XSE grille. So, you know, it's a good thing. All I saw was one video, which was on a generation that was below the 21, 2023, which is obviously the 2018 to 2020. So it was way different. It was definitely harder than the older generation. But letting with you guys, let's get a close-up of the gloss black. We do got to clean it up a little bit, but this is what it's looking like. I do want to get a better video, you know, obviously in the daytime, since we finish at night. I say we started at around 2 o'clock p.m. and now it's about, let me see. Now it's about 8:20, so it took us like basically the whole day, 2 to 8. Took a little over 6 hours because we just took a little break in between just to, you know, finish it up. But yeah, let me know what you guys' thoughts are on the new grille, and I can't wait till we get the new front lip. It's gonna be looking crazy, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Please, if you guys enjoyed and you want more videos like this, installation, educational, whatever type of videos you guys want, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, if you guys enjoyed, drop a like, subscribe if you are new to the channel with post notifications on. I'll be posting a lot of videos and posting once a week. Be on that grind, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.